Hello guys, today I will teach you how to install Windows 10 on VirtualBox. Visit Google on your web browser and search for download Windows 10. Click on the Download Windows 10 Disk Image ISO file from Microsoft. Scroll down and under Create Windows 10 Installation Media, click on Download Tool now. Wait for the program to be downloaded. Once downloading finished, open the program. Wait for a while until things get ready. Accept the agreement and choose the second option, which is the Create Installation Media. Click Next. Leave all the settings as they are and make sure the recommended options for this PC is checked. Click Next. Select the second option, which is ISO file. Click Next. Choose the location to save the ISO file. Make sure to save it somewhere it can be accessed easily. Now you have to wait for a while for the downloading to complete. I will fast forward to the next step. Wait for the download file to be verified. ISO file is ready. Click on Finish. Now we will download VirtualBox. Open Google in your web browser and search for VirtualBox. Click on Oracle VM VirtualBox. Click on Download. Now click on Windows Hosts. Now wait for the program to be downloaded. Now open the installation file and install the program. Once installed, start the VirtualBox. I already have few virtual machines, but ignore that. Let's create a new virtual machine. Click New, and name your virtual machine. I will call it Windows 10. I will leave all options as they are. Choose memory size, I recommend at least 4 GB RAM. Create virtual hard disk now. Check first option for the hard disk type, which is VDI. Choose Dynamically Allocated and click Next. Now choose the hard disk size and file location. Make sure you have enough storage in your hard disk. Make sure the newly Windows 10 machine is selected and click on Settings. Go to System and deselect the floppy option as we will not need it. Now click on Storage option and click on Empty Disk. Now click on Drive and choose the disk file, which is Windows 10 ISO, which we have downloaded earlier. Click OK and start the machine. Wait for a while until Windows 10 fully loaded. Choose your desired options and click Next. Click on Install now. For product key, click on I don't have a product key. I will choose Windows 10 Pro for this installation. Accept the terms and click on Custom Install. Now select your hard disk partition and click Next. Windows 10 begin to install on a VirtualBox. Now you have to wait for a while until the installation is finished. Once the installation is finished, the Windows 10 will ask for a restart. Click on Restart to restart the Windows 10 machine. Virtual machine will restart again. Now choose your region. Choose your keyboard layout. From here I will skip most of the options and will choose basic settings. Now give a username to your Windows. We don't need all these settings, so I will turn them off. I will skip some of the steps. Windows is loading, so we have to wait for a while. Congratulations! Your Windows 10 is ready to be used. We have to do just one more step so we can get a full screen view. Go to Devices and click on Insert Guest Image. Now go to Computer and open the installation disk. I got AMD processor, so I will choose AMD 64. Install the program. Reboot the Windows if it asks. Now click on View and Full Screen Mode. All done. If you want more videos like these, then please hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.